Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about how our local business center improved their conversions by 50%. Business Center Guelph Wellington is a local organization that provides resources and support for businesses in our community. They came to us looking to improve their website and increase conversions. To help them achieve their goals, we worked together closely to streamline their website. We started by mapping out how their participants were using their website and what information was most important to them. Based on this information, we reorganized the navigation of the website to make it easier for visitors to find the information they were looking for. In addition to improving the navigation, we also added new features to the website, including customer testimonials, filterable program listings, and a new client intake form that streamlined the booking process. Finally, we worked on improving the website's calls to action. We made sure they were clear, easy to understand, and placed in prominent positions that would grab the attention of visitors. Thanks to our efforts, the Business Center was able to improve their sign-up form conversions by 50%. If you're interested in learning how we can help you improve your website and increase conversions, I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.